Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you a very detailed tutorial on how to make the best homemade samosa wraps or samosa sheets. Step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to fold your samosas at home. In today's video you're going to be making some beef samosas. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Make sure you check out my previous video on how to make homemade samosa sheets. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Moving on, I have my green pepper here, 2 medium-sized red onions, 2 cloves of garlic, and a ginger here. I already prepared them. I removed the peels and washed them up. I'm going to go ahead and chop my onions up. For the ginger and garlic, you can use ginger and garlic paste if you have that. Okay, I got my ginger fine finally. And then right here I have my beef. So this beef today I grinded it. You can use minced meat if you have that at home. Moving on to my pot here, I'm going to add my cooking oil. Then preheat it. I'll then add my beef in. I'm going to cook my beef until it's dry. So my beef right here already drained all the water in it, and I'm now going to go ahead and add my onions and garlic. I actually feel like I just need to add the pepper too, so let me add everything in. I'm going to fry this to golden brown. Okay, our filling is ready. Make sure you have this dry like this. If it's moist and watery, it will go in your pockets. So I'll just let it cool. Okay, let's move on to the folding part. I have my flour here. I'm going to go ahead and add some water, cold water. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it up to make liquid batter. I love mine thick. Now let's move on to the folding part. We already made the liquid batter. I'm going to lay one of my sheets here that I cut in half, as you can see. I actually love the side that is cooked inside. I'm going to grab the right side of my sheet, bring it right here to the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and spread my butter And then I'm going to grab the left side of my sheet again, bring it to the far end. I'm going to go ahead and now spread my butter to the last side here, so I can secure it to a cone, and then I'll close it up smoothly like this. And for this other end that is pointed, I'm going to try to pinch it like this, and then I'll tap it a little. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my filling in. After I add my filling in, I'm going to go ahead and now push this other side of this in like this. You see that? I'm going to go ahead and now go in with my butter, liquid butter again, spread it around like this. And then I'll go ahead and now secure this as shown in the video. Just pinch it to secure it. Okay, then our samosa is ready. Okay, let me explain this one more time. I'm going to lay my sheet on my table. Bring the left side of your sheet to the middle. Spread your liquid butter to the side that you brought to the middle. Now bring the left side of your sheet to the far end of your sheet. Now I'm going to go ahead and spread the liquid butter again to this other end of my sheet, so I can fully secure it over here. Okay, and then tap it using one of your fingers. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and now bring this side in like that. You push it in. I'm going to go ahead and now go in with my butter, liquid butter again, spread it around, and then I'll go ahead and now secure this as shown in the video. Okay, our samosa is ready. I managed to fold these ones here with the filling that I had, and then I have this leftover here that I want to keep. These sheets that we made, you can add them to a paper and store them in the fridge. They can last as long as you want, even for 3 months. I know that. Let's move on and go ahead and fry this super quick. Let me test my oil. My wooden spoon is sizzling. That means this oil is just ready. I'm going to go ahead and now dip my samosa and fry them to golden brown. Okay, my samosas are ready. Let's move on to the taste test, my favorite part. This filling is so good and the samosas are so tasty, you guys. You have to try this. Follow the simple instructions that I gave, and as you can see, the sheet is very crunchy and very light, and that filling is looking good. Thanks for watching again, and see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm at Ankugo Sharon at Beyond Aroma of Kenya. And then you can follow me on Facebook at Sharon Awura Ngugo, on TikTok at Ankugo Sharon. Yeah. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.